Welcome to lesson 2. Now, the goal of lesson 2 is actually very simple. We're just taking what we did in lesson 1 and we're doubling it. So, this is what I want you to be able to do by the end of lesson 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and what did I just do? I went right leg. I double the right and I double the left. Okay? We're going to also be able to do the same thing on the left side first. So watch this. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's it. We're doubling to the right side. Right, left, and also left, right. That's the ultimate goal. Now, in this lesson, lesson 2, we've broken down to 2 major sections. Follow each section, look at the explanation video first, then do the exercise video, just like all previous lessons. By the end, watch for the recap. You should be able to do all that. Have fun, enjoy, and I'll see you soon.